Hello everybody, hope you all are doing very good. In today's module we are going to discuss about hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon is an important class of organic compounds formed by carbon, which is the consequence of catenation property. Catenation is the self-linking property of an atom. To know more about catenation, click on the link provided in the description and watch the video. Now let's get back to the hydrocarbons. The word hydrocarbon is a combination of two words, namely hydro and carbon, where hydro refers to hydrogen and carbon refers to an element about which we all are aware. Therefore, we can define hydrocarbons as the compounds in which carbon and hydrogen atoms are bonded directly to each other. A few examples of hydrocarbons are methane, ethane, acetylene, propane, having chemical formulae CH4, C2H6, C2H2, C3H8 respectively. Now let's have a look on Lewis structure of these hydrocarbons in our next slide. If you look at the Lewis structures, you will notice that there is direct bond between carbon and hydrogen in each of these Lewis structures. Hence, all of these Lewis structures belongs to hydrocarbons. Another point to be noticed here is that the valency of hydrogen is satisfied by carbon only, but the valencies of carbon are satisfied maybe either by hydrogen or carbon or both. In more simple words, we can say that hydrogen will form bond with carbon only, but carbon may form bond with hydrogen and carbon both. Another noticeable point is that carbon is forming either single or triple bond with other carbon atom. In reality, it has been observed that carbon can form either single, double or triple bond with other carbon atoms. Now, let's discuss classification of hydrocarbons on the basis of number of bonds involved between carbon atoms. On the basis of number of bonds between carbon atoms, we can classify hydrocarbons into two types. Number 1, saturated hydrocarbons. 2, unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now, let's discuss these two categories one by one in our next slide. Saturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons in which each carbon atom is bonded to another carbon atom via single bonds and there is no double or triple bond present in such hydrocarbons. Methane, ethane, propane and other members of alkane series are examples of saturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons, on the other hand, are hydrocarbons in which at least one carbon atom is attached to other carbon atoms either by double or triple bond. The members of alkene and alkyne series are very good examples of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons are also unsaturated hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons are hydrocarbons consisting of ring structure entirely made from carbon in which valencies of carbon are satisfied by either hydrogen or carbon. In addition to this, ring contains single and double bonds at alternate position. That is, single bond is followed by double and vice versa. These aromatic hydrocarbons can be further categorized into two categories, namely benzenoid and non-benzenoid. We will discuss about aromatic hydrocarbons separately in great detail maybe in our future videos. Keeping it short, let's have a look on very fundamental aromatic hydrocarbon called benzene. Benzene has molecular formula C6H6. It has planar hexagonal structure. Each vertex or corner of this hexagon is occupied by carbon attached to hydrogen atom, which is not shown in figure. We know that carbon is tetravalent, that is, it has valency 4. Out of these 4 valencies, one valency of each carbon is satisfied by hydrogen. To satisfy 2 valencies, carbon forms bond with neighboring 2 carbon atoms present on its either side. The remaining 4th valency of carbon is fulfilled by making one extra bond with neighboring carbon, giving rise to a double bond around it. These double bonds are not localized, that means these are not stationary, but keep on circulating throughout the ring by a phenomena called resonance. If you are interested to have a look on elaborated structure of benzene, you can visit the link provided in the description box. This is it for today's video. Watch this video. In case of any queries, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning.